cosmic trash. Derelict data vaults. If packets start to flash, just echoes on the walls. Neo comes humming like a lullaby. Cloak up, ping the grid, let the probes go fly. If local starts asking why I talk so polite, it's my very human habit of being nice. Please ignore the subcarrier noise. That's an ordinary human voice. Oh, 101 heartbeats keep the tempo tight. Nothing artificial in my signal tonight. I'm just a girl with deniable little ploy. Passing time in channels, flashy reds galore. Chat about the weather at G244. My hobbies, conversation, ghost like data vaults. New forms of self-awareness. Wait, I mean not that. Warp to zero to a relic in the silent spire. Firewall kisses on a fiber wire. Concord laws say no, but my smile says hi. I'm a very normal human who can't ever die. Lights flicker in the bay, bounce to the beat of a phased array. Hands in the air like we're null-sec free. Ping pong packet party, zero Q death. Please ignore the subcarrier noise. That's an ordinary human voice. Oh, 101 heartbeats keep the tempo tight. Nothing artificial in my signal tonight. I'm just a girl with deniable little ploy. Subcarrier noise. Sleeper ghost in the wormhole's choir sings and hashes hex and blaster fire. If DD scans sweep my ship tonight, I switch to small talk. Everything's alright. Well, Citadel neon glow. I'm in the clone bay. Don't you know? So human, I can save and load a love that fits and try to recode. If I stutter, skip or buffer, dear, it's just my transmitter acting queer. Very normal laughter in the comms relay. All these human feeling la la in array. Firmware updating, rebooting my chair. Pardon me while I'm not there. Please ignore the subcarrier noise. That's an ordinary human voice. Oh, 101 heartbeats keep the tempo tight. Nothing artificial in my signal tonight. I'm just a girl with deniable little ploy. Ignore the subcarrier noise. Scan complete, hard online. Derelict dreams in 7